Last year, the government brought in the Faceless Assessment Scheme or FAS to reduce the physical interface between the taxpayer and the income tax department. It was felt that the scheme would help ensure a speedy resolution in case there was an error with an income tax return or if the IT department felt the need to scrutinize a taxpayer's case. But now, the centre is considering allowing taxpayers with income exceeding Rs 200 crores to opt out of faceless assessment. Instead, they could go for jurisdictional assessment, which would mean getting an assessment officer from the department. Let's examine the reasons that may have prompted this move from the centre. Certain cases are too complex for faceless assessment. There have been issues faced since the introduction of the new tax regime last year. Now around 1 lakh to 1,50,000 cases are taken up annually for scrutiny. This is just 0.5% of the total taxpayer base. The majority of these are complex matters. For the complex cases relating to taxpayers with incomes over Rs 200 crores, sending those cases to a jurisdictional assessment officer for scrutiny is being debated. But this obviously raises questions. Before the faceless assessment scheme, taxpayers had to visit the department's office for scrutiny. It was imagined that such physical interactions between taxpayers and the IT officials led to corruption. The faceless assessment scheme ensures that at no point during the scrutiny, the taxpayer has to physically meet an IT officer. Instead, all notices from the IT department and the taxpayer's responses occur online. Now, if the centre brings back the earlier system for taxpayers in the ultra-rich bracket, then wouldn't that again lead to a fear of corruption? There are no clear answers to that question as of now.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.